Hey guys, it's Sneha and welcome to my channel Create Your Own. Today I will show you this beautiful tutorial. It's very simple to make and pretty easy. All the materials that I used in this video, it will be given in the description box so you can check this. And without wasting any time, let's start. So let's start the tutorial. I'm using Camlin artistic poster colors, which is in orange, chrome yellow and yellow color and a brown color. A 10 number flat brush and 8 number round brush for making the petals of the sunflower. So first of all, I'm just washing with water on the entire sheet, watercolor sheet. First of all, I'm adding circles of brown color randomly on the paper. Here I'm using watercolor sheet that I buy in a local market. I don't know which GSM it is, but it's pretty thick. Now I'm making the petals of the flower. So for this I'm dipping the whole brush into the yellow color and just adding a bit of orange color on the top of brush. So I get a really nice combination of orange and yellow. Repeat the same process with another circles. I'm gonna letting this dry completely and then adding another layer of flowers. Before you start painting, choose your colors. Now I am painting the middle part of the sunflower, which is the seed part of sunflower, with brown color, and adding some black dots to make a seed like effect. Now I am doing my petals, so similar steps that we done for the blur effect. Dip your brush into a yellow color and then add a bit of orange color into the tip of on the tip of a brush, and then just make a eyedrop shape. And after, then just add some strokes of orange color into the top of the petal. Follow the same step and draw flowers like this randomly on the paper. add some extra details, and it's done. And that's it for today's, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, and give your suggestions and thoughts in comment section below. I definitely like to read your all comments and suggestions. See you in the next video. Till then, keep creating, keep painting. Bye.